Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new lesson which is fractions. We took fractions before in Junior 1 and in Junior 2 and we will complete it this year in Junior 3. Let's remember what is the meaning of a fraction. Here is a whole square. Whole means complete one. This square is complete square. It's not divided. There are everyday objects which are whole. For example, we can have a whole bar of chocolate or a whole pizza, one complete bar of chocolate or one complete pizza. A fraction is an equal part of a whole object. A fraction is an equal part of a whole object. Here I have one or a whole bar of chocolate, and here I have a pizza, one whole pizza, and I cut it into equal parts. What are the parts of a fraction? Here I have the circle. I divide the circle into 8 equal parts. I have some shaded parts and non-shaded parts. How many shaded parts I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 shaded parts. 6 is called numerator. Numerator means the number of shaded parts. From how many parts or total parts? 8. So 8 is called denominator. Denominator is the total number of parts that equal a whole. The fraction form of 1. What is the meaning of this? Any fraction whose top and bottom, whose numerator and denominator numbers are the same is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? 2 over 2 equals 1. 3 over 3 equals 1. 4 over 4 equals 1. 5 over 5 equals 1, and so on. We can say that's like the division when we say any number divided by itself equals 1. We have example. I have this table. I want to complete this table. I want to write what is the numerator and the denominator from these fractions. We said that the numerator is on top and the denominator is down. So the numerator in this fraction 5 over 9, the numerator is 5 on top and the denominator is 9 down. The second one, 8 over 15. 8 on top. So 8 will be the numerator and 15 down is the denominator. The last one, 25 over 50. So 25 will be the numerator and 50 will be the denominator. Excellent. Good job. How can we read a fraction? We have steps to read the fraction. The first one is we always start reading from the top, from the numerator. Then the number down, which is the denominator. Let's see. We took those fractions before in Junior 2. 1 whole, 1 half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on. Here I have this example. What is the fraction of the orange balls? I have some balls and I want to know how is the fraction of those orange balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 balls. How many orange balls? Excellent. It's 4 orange balls from 6 balls, the total. So it's read as 4/6. Example. Here I have this circle. This circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, 6 equal parts. How many shaded parts? I have to write the shaded parts on top. So I have 2 shaded parts from 6 parts, and it's read as 2 sixths. Here the circle, I divide it into 2 equal parts. How many shaded parts? Excellent. 1 from 2, and it's read as half. This shape is divided into 8 equal parts. How many shaded parts? 1. 1 from how many? From 8 parts, and it's read as 1/8. Here this circle is divided into 10 equal parts. How many shaded parts? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 shaded parts from 10, and it's read as 7/10. Write the fraction. We set the numerator on top and denominator down. Type. I want to write a fraction. Its numerator is 4 and its denominator is 12. So it will be 4/12. I want to write a fraction. Its numerator is 5 and its denominator is 17. So it will be 5/17. 9/11. We start with the numerator. So I will write 9/11. X 2 quarters. We took quarter before in junior 1 and in junior 2, which is 1/4. Here I have 2 quarters, so I have to write 2/4. Excellent. Write the fraction in words. Here I have some fractions and I want to write it in words. 1/2, number A. 1/2, it's half. Number B. 9/10, it's 9/10. 2/5, it will be 2/5. 5/17, it will be 5/17. 10/18, it will be 10/18. 3/12, it will be 3/12. Solve the following. Karas and Julius bought a pizza. They wanted to share the pizza. How should we cut it so they have an equal share? Write the fraction in digits and words. He will cut the pizza into 2 equal parts. Why 2? Because Karas and Julius are going to eat from this pizza. So each one will take half pizza. When Karas was about to cut the pizza, Yusuf and Adam came along. They wanted to have a piece of the pizza too. How should Karas cut the pizza? He will cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. Why 4? Because Karas and Julius, then Yusuf and Adam are going to eat from this pizza. So he will cut the pizza into 4 equal parts, so each one will take quarter pizza. Maiven bought 20 stickers. She gave 4 stickers to her sister. What fraction of the stickers did she give to her sister? Her sister will took 4/20 stickers. 4/20. How many thirds are there in one whole? 3 thirds. Why? If I have one whole, I will divide this one into 3 equal parts, so I have 3/3. How many ninths are there in one whole? 9 ninths. Thank you.